Hey guys, do you wanna do you wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world? I'm really not annoying, you know. I feel like somebody else. Yeah. So, you wanna hear something really annoying? No, you probably don't. I don't know. Okay, you wanna hear something annoying? Okay. Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. I don't know. What the heck, what the heck, what the heck, what the heck? Eat some pie, eat some pie, eat some pie, eat some pie. Go to YouTube, go to YouTube, go to YouTube. Go to Google, Google. How about this? Let's say it's not annoying, people. Heck. Actually, I'm never annoying, but I could be to a boy who doesn't like me. Just don't worry one bit.